How to unlock pages on Canva. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Then simply open the design that you want to unlock. After you've opened Canva, as you can see, if it's locked, when you click on it, you won't be able to edit anything. As you can see, it's locked. Now, what you can do is, if you're not in the thumbnail option, you can hold on to the option or click on the three dots at the top right. Go to settings, show page thumbnails. Click on it and you'll find the bottom option. Now, click on the page that is locked, hold on to it, and at the bottom, scroll down. Click on more. Click on unlock page. And after that, you will be able to edit. And this is how to unlock pages on Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.